Hello students, good morning. Students, today is 18th July 2020 and your chapter number 4 was going on, and the name of the chapter is Factors and Multiples. This is your page number 1 of today's class, and mixed bag questions was going on. There are 10 questions in mixed bag, 5 has been finished. Okay, so today I will start question number 6. In question number 6, question has been given: the product of HCF and LCM of two numbers is 726 if one of the number is 22. What is the other number? Other number. Okay students, so this question has been given in your question number 6. So look the solution. So students, as like question number 5 that I have taught to you in the last class, it will be solved as like same pattern. Okay, it means here you will also applicable the same formula. You know about the formula: product of two numbers is equal to product of their HCF and LCM. Okay, so here students, product has been given of HCF and LCM, and one number has been given. What has not given? Other number has not been given. So let us we suppose the other number is equal to, let us other number is equal to x. Okay, so when we will multiply it, so one number has been given 22. So 22 into x is equal to product of HCF and LCM has been given 726. Okay, so 22 into x is equal to 726. You can also tell it about that. No, you are not required here. हमने सोचा इसको पलट लें, but here it is not required. So you will write it here x. Here 22 has been multiplied by x in your left hand side. When it has been transferred, when 22 has been transferred to the right hand side, so it has been shown as like a divisible method. So 726 divided by 22. Okay, so now we can divide it. Students, remember this is the greater number. So अगर आपको टेबल नहीं आती तो आप पहले छोटे नंबर से डिवाइड किया करिए. ठीक है, so you can see it here students. It is both are the even number. आपको ये ध्यान रखना है, इसको हम क्या कहते हैं? न्यूमरेटर, इसको कहते हैं डिनोमिनेटर. न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर आपको एक ही डिजिट से डिवाइड करना होगा. जिस डिजिट से ये दोनों नंबर डिवाइड हो जाए आपको उससे डिवाइड करना होगा. ठीक है, सो आपकी ये नंबर क्या होगी? छोटी हो जाएगी और इजिली यू कैन डिवाइड इट. सो 726 हियर यू कैन सी इट, दिस इज द इवन नंबर एंड 22 इज ऑल्सो द इवन नंबर. सो बोथ नंबर विल बी डिविजिबल बाई 2. आप देखेंगे कि दोनों नंबर, ये इसको हम न्यूमरेटर कहते हैं, इसको डिनोमिनेटर कहते हैं, ये दोनों नंबर आपके 2 से इजी वे में डिवाइड हो जाएंगे. सो आई विल डिवाइड इट. सो लुक हियर इन द रफ कॉलम. ओके, 2 and then 726. 2 3s are 6, 1, then 2 will be noted down. 2 6s are 12, then 12 minus 12 is equal to nothing, it means 0. Then 6, 2 3s are 6. So you have find out the number 363. Okay, and when you have divided 22 from 2, so you have find out 2 1 2, 2 1 2, it means 11. So now it is easy for you, क्योंकि आपको टेबल जो सिलेबस में 2 से 20 तक है, सो आप 11 से अब आप इजी वे में 363 को डिवाइड कर सकते हैं, बिकॉज यू हैव लर्न द टेबल ऑफ 363. ओके, सो लुक हियर 11 and 363. 11 3s are 33. Okay, So now 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. Here nothing. Next number you have noted down 3. 11 3 is a 33. So your number is 33 here. So you will write 33. Okay. So x is equal to 33. It means you have think about that other number you have suppose x. So therefore other number is equal to 33. Clear? So you will write the answer same. Here it has been asked about the other number. What is the other number? It has been also asked you. So you will write answer other number is equal to 33. Clear, students? Students, if you have any doubt, then you can ask. Now next page. Okay. Next page. Next question. Okay. So students, this is your page number 2 of today's class. Now question number 7. In question number 7, it has been given, find the largest number that divides 28 and 49 without a remainder. So students, listen and understand this question. Here it has been given, find the largest number. आपको ऐसा लार्जेस्ट नंबर फाइंड आउट करना है दैट डिवाइड्स 28 एंड 49 विदाउट अ रिमाइंडर, जो आपका 28 और 49 को बिना किसी रिमाइंडर के डिवाइड कर सके. ओके, सो लार्जेस्ट हैज बीन गिवन, इट मीन्स HCF, हाईएस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर. सो हियर यू विल फाइंड आउट द HCF. सो स्टूडेंट्स, आई विल प्रोवाइड टू यू इन योर होमवर्क. आप इसका HCF आसानी से निकाल सकते हैं. सो 28 एंड 49 का HCF आपको होमवर्क में निकालना है. Okay, so this is your in homework. Now question number 8. Okay, in question number 8, it has been given, find the largest number that divides 10 and 14, comma, leaving a remainder ऑफ 2. आपको ये बताना है, आपको लार्जेस्ट नंबर बताना है जो 10 और 14. ओके, अगर आप 10 और 14 को डिवाइड करते हैं उस लार्जेस्ट नंबर से, सो आपका रिमाइंडर 2 बच जाए उसमें. ठीक है, इट मीन्स इट विल नॉट बी डिविजिबल बाई दैट नंबर. वो आपका उस नंबर से पूरा डिविजिबल नहीं होना चाहिए, रिमाइंडर आपको उसमें 2 बच जाना चाहिए. सो लुक हियर. So students, this is the same simple method. Here you can also see it. आपको यहाँ बताना है कि किससे हम डिवाइड करें. So simple method is this. You will subtract 2 from both numbers. So here we will subtract 2 रिमाइंडर होना है तो हम 2 को रिमाइंडर को जो रिमाइंडर नंबर है उसको हम सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दे रहे हैं. Here we will subtract 2 from both numbers. Okay, so now numbers is equal to 10 minus 2 is equal to 8 and 14 minus 2 is equal to 12. Okay, so now same pattern, same 7th question के accordingly, largest number, it means that will be find out the HCF. So here find the largest number that divides 10 and 14 leaving a remainder. Therefore largest number is equal to, okay, so prime factors of 8 is equal to and prime factors of 12 is equal to. जो आपने 2 डिवाइड माइनस करने के बाद सब्ट्रैक्ट करने के बाद नंबर मिला है, आप उसके प्राइम फैक्टर्स निकालोगे. ओके, सो लुक द प्राइम फैक्टर्स इन द रफ कॉलम. 8 will be divisible by 2, 2 4s are 8, then 2 2s are, then 2 1s are. So factors of 8 is 2 into 2 into 2. Now you will find out the factors of 12. 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 6 and 3 1s are 3. So the factors of 12 is 2 into 2 into 3. So what are the common factors? You will find out the common factors here. 2, then again 2. Okay, it means 2 has come 2 times. Is equal to 2 into 2 is equal to 4. So you will write the answer. Answer is equal to the largest number that divides 10 and 14, leaving a remainder of 2 is 4. So 4 is your answer. Clear, students? Any doubt? If you have any doubt, then you can also ask the query. Okay. Now students, this is your page number 3rd of today's class. Question number 9. Look here. In question number 9, it has been given, find the smallest number which when divided by 10 and 15, leaves no remainder. Okay, this question has been given as a question number 9. Students, remember here it has been given a smallest number. जब largest number दिया था, so we have find out the HCF. Here the smallest number has been given. It means here you will find out the LCM. So number has been given 10 and 15. So आपको यहाँ बेटा 10 और 15 का LCM find out करना है. Okay. So I will provide this question to you in your homework. Okay. Now question number 10, and this is the last question of mixed bag. Okay. Question number 10 has been given. Find the smallest number, which when divided by 12 and 15 leaves a remainder of 5. Okay. So look the solution. Okay. Find the smallest number which when divided by 12 and 15. It means you will find out the LCM. So LCM of 12 and 15 is equal to. So on the basis of this method you will find out the LCM. Okay. 2 6 and 15 will not be divisible, so it will be noted down as like this. Then 2 3 then 15 as it is. Now it will be divisible by 3. 3 1 3, 3 5 15, and 5 5 1 5. Okay. Therefore LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Okay. 2 2s are 4. 4 into 3 into 5. 4 3s are 12. 12 into 5. 12 5s are 60. Okay. So you have got the LCM. LCM is 50. Here there is some difference between question number 8 and 10. In question number 8 it has been given the leaving a remainder 2, and but here the number has been given largest. Here in the question had been given leaving a remainder of 5 but smallest number. So after finding the LCM you will add that remainder. The remainder has been given 5, so you will write it here. Therefore smallest number is equal to 60 plus 5 is equal to 65. Okay. So now you will write the answer. Okay. You will write smallest number is 65, which when divided by 12 and 15 leaves a remainder of 5. Clear, students? So students, your mixed bag questions has been finished. Now if you have any doubt, so you can ask the query. Okay, students? So students, this is your page number 4 of today's class. Students, your all exercises, mental maths and mixed bag questions has been finished now of chapter number 4, factors and multiples. Now I will start worksheet. Questions relates from worksheet. Okay. So in worksheet, question number 1 has been given. Find the HCF. Find the HCF of 12 and 18. Okay. So look here. First you will find out the prime factors of 12, then after that prime factors of 18. So prime factors of 12 is equal to, then prime factors of 18 is equal to. So in the rough column you will find out the prime factors. 12. 2 6 are 12, 2 3 are, then 3 1 are. So you will write here prime factors of 12 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3. Now prime factors of 18, 2 9 are, 3 3 are, and 3 1 are. So prime factors of 18 is equal to 2 into 3 into 3. Clear, students? So here you will find out the common factors. Okay. So common factors is equal to, you can see 2 is the common and 3 is common, 1 time 2 and 1 time 3. So 2 into 3 is equal to 6. So you will write here, therefore HCF is equal to 6. So you will write the answer HCF is equal to 6. Clear, students? Any doubt? Now look question number 2. Okay, in question number 2 it has been given, find the LCM of 15 and 25. रिमेंबर स्टूडेंट्स, इन केस ऑफ LCM और HCF हमने आपको कई मेथड बताए हैं. जो मेथड आपको इजी लगे आप उससे सॉल्व कर सकते हैं, अगर क्वेश्चन में कोई स्पेसिफिक मेथड का नाम नहीं दे रहा है तब. ओके, सो स्टूडेंट्स लुक हियर. सॉल्यूशन. Numbers has been given 15 and 25. Okay. So students, you know the rule about the LCM. First you will divide with the lowest prime number. So here I have seen the lowest prime number here will be applicable with 3. 3 5s are 15. 25 will not be divisible, so 25 you have noted down as it is. Okay. Then after that it will be divisible by 5. 5 1s are 5 and 5 5s are 25. Then the number is here 1 and 5. Now 1 and 5 is divisible by 5. 5 and then 1 ka 1 and 5 1s are 5. Therefore LCM is equal to, so factors we have find out 3. So 3 into 5 into 5. Okay. 3 5s are 15. 15 into 5. 15 5s are 75. Okay. So you will write the answer LCM is equal to 75. Students, worksheet has been divided in 3 parts. This is part A. Okay. In part A there are the 3 questions. Okay. So 2 questions has been solved. Now question number 3. And this is your page number 5 of today's class. So question number 3. Okay, this is the last question of A part of worksheet. Question is, check whether 12,345 is divisible by 3. Okay, students, I have also providing the rules regarding the divisibility. Which number is divisible by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10? So you will applicable here that rule. Okay, so look here, divisibility of, divisible by 3. Okay, rule is if the sum of the digits is divisible by 3, if the sum of the digits of any number, okay, of any number is divisible by 3, so that number will also डिविजिबल बाई 3. अगर आपके डिजिट्स का नंबर्स हैं, नंबर्स में डिजिट्स का टोटल 3 से डिवाइड हो रहा है, सो दैट नंबर विल ऑल्सो डिविजिबल बाई 3. ओके, अदरवाइज नो. सो नाउ वी विल चेक इट हियर. नंबर हैज बीन गिवन, नंबर इज इक्वल टू 12,345. ओके, सम ऑफ द डिजिट्स is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. Okay, so now we will add it. 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 4 10, 10 plus 5 15. And you know students, 15 is divisible by 3, so you will write it here, 15 will divisible by 3. So number has been given 12,345 is also divisible by 3. Okay, that is your answer. So students, today's class में इतना ही. Okay, if you have any doubt then you can also ask the query. Okay students.